So I thought I'd show you how I store my hardtop over the summer and also where I store my soft top over the winter. So I went to Harbor Freight Tools and I bought this for a couple $100 of scaffolding. And inside I keep my summer kind of stuff, beach stuff, and this is the panels that go in the roof when that's on, so I store those there. And I'll show you more of how I clamp these on and this piece of wood that I just drilled holes in and cut to length. But the height of this is set to the height of my Wrangler, so I can just back up or move this right over to the back of the Wrangler and literally just slide my cover on. And when this is being stored here, I also is at a right height where I just have an older MGB, and I drive that into this bay, and it goes right underneath the scaffolding right up to where the lawnmower is. So I'll show you more in a bit, but this is how I store my cover. So here's, after I've taken all of our summer stuff out of here, I just have a 2x4 here that I cut to the right length, and I keep a spring clamp on one end and a bar clamp, if you can see in there, on the other end. That just keeps it from tipping. If somebody bumps the scaffold, it will keep it from tipping. So if I take this off and I just lift this up, I can show you what I've done. So there's a tab, come on in here, right? There's a tab that sticks down, so I've drilled holes here, so that the tab will drop in it and not damage it. And then I label everything up, driver's side, windshield, so I know exactly where this is going. So that tab sits in that hole. And now we'll back the Jeep up to it, or we'll move the scaffolding right over to the Jeep and just slide it on. Once we slide it on, we'll just lift up and take this 2x4 out on each side, and it's good to go.
Okay.
Okay, so we've taken the soft top off of the Jeep, and now there's more room. There's more room outside on the sides than in my garage, unfortunately. So I'm just going to move it and slide this right down to the garage. I'll just show you how easy this works. At this point, we'll take off these. Right, slow, nice and slow. And we'll rest that on the tire and open the window, rear window. Take the clamp off. Just line it up a little bit more. I just took a piece of wood and I drilled a hole in it for the clamp, just to hold it on there over the summer. Okay, now this is where you do need a second hand, so Sam just grabbed the side of it there. We're going to pick this up with the wood. Okay, you're going to slide it, don't lift it, just slide it. Keep it going. Keep going. Right about right there. That's good. So we're just lining this up to the edges. Hold on this side. So just line this up to the door or to the edge if the door is open. And then all we got to do is lift up on this and take that out and just set it down. And it's right in place. Same thing on this side. Again, lift this up. Get that to stuck, and let me get a grip here. Okay, slide it out. Yeah. Okay, that's it. You can hit stop. Okay, so the cover's on. We just started all of the different bolts going in, and then I just have a cordless ratcheting wrench here that I just pop these in with. And literally that's it. And so here's the storage of the soft top while I wait for the winter to be over and put this back on.